Amid rising concerns over corruption, incompetence, and delay of cases, a growing push for fresh round of vetting of judges and magistrates is gaining momentum. The legal community argue that such a process is essential for restoring integrity in the judiciary, citing various controversial cases, particularly those involving elections and tax regulations. Lawyers now contend that the vetting would review not only the judges themselves but their decisions and overall conduct. A memorandum from the Law Society of Kenya, LSK, to the judiciary points to the current judicial system as one that has left millions of Kenyans without access to justice, sparking calls for swift reforms. Faith Odhiambo, LSK chairperson, has said the lobby will form a committee early next year to collect complaints regarding judicial misconduct, with the aim of addressing corruption. The most glaring form of judicial misconduct has to be corruption. Instead of justice and truth being weighed against evidence, it is traded and auctioned to the highest bidder in total disregard to the rule of law and constitutional and legal principles, reads the LSK memorandum to Chief Justice Martha Koome. Koome has rejected calls for her to resign. She said she has been a target of cyberbullying, which she referred to as technologically facilitated gender-based violence. She said this was part of a broader attempt to intimidate and discredit her. When I speak, I always confess that I'm a victim of cyberbullying, or is it called technologically facilitated gender-based violence? But I know the intention. It's a business model. I don't know what it's meant to achieve. Maybe to scare, distract, defame, or hound me out of office, but they can try something else, Koome remarked. In response to these concerns, Odhiambo said the society would set up a committee early next year to collect complaints against corrupt judicial officers, as part of an effort to root out graft in the judiciary. Former LSK President Nelson Havi has been particularly vocal about the judiciary's integrity, claiming that corruption is deeply embedded in the system. According to Havi, lack of accountability is a primary reason for case delays and compromised justice. Judges and magistrates have prioritized personal wealth over justice, Havi said. They issue biased rulings motivated by money rather than law. Our analysis highlights the deep-rooted issues in the judiciary, including corruption, misconduct, and a growing disconnect between the bench and the bar, the memorandum